In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import SVG files into Figma in just 5 minutes. If you're new to Figma or simply need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and concisely, ensuring you can easily bring your SVG files into your design workspace. First, you'll want to navigate to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool. Whether you're a seasoned user or accessing it for the first time, simply go to your preferred web browser and type in figma.com. Once you arrive on the Figma homepage, you'll notice the option to log in. Click on the login button located on the top right corner of your screen. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, which is a quick and straightforward process involving your email and creating a password. However, for today's tutorial, let's assume you're already a registered user. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Figma homepage. This is your creative hub where you can manage your projects, create new files, and access shared documents. Now look for the import option. It's usually straightforward to find, but if you're having any trouble, you can find it in your main file menu. Clicking on import opens up another set of options. Here you want to select import from computer. This feature lets you upload files directly from your local device into Figma. It's a great feature that streamlines the design process, allowing you to integrate external graphics efficiently. Once you've clicked import from computer, you'll be prompted to browse your device's files. Navigate to the folder where your SVG file is saved. It's always a good idea to double check that the file is in the correct SVG format, as this ensures compatibility with Figma. Select your SVG file and click open or upload depending on your computer's operating system. This action will start importing the file into your Figma workspace. Keep an eye on the progress, as large or complex SVG files might take a tad longer to upload. Ideally, the uploaded SVG will appear directly within your Figma workspace, placed in a new frame or added onto an existing artboard, ready for you to start editing and integrating into your design projects. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully imported an SVG file into Figma. Whether you're creating intricate illustrations or just incorporating simple icons into your UX designs, knowing how to efficiently import SVGs can significantly enhance your workflow. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to revisit this tutorial anytime you need a quick refresher. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to get creative in Figma.